Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another analytics video. So today I'm doing my January analytics and I'm gonna be taking you guys through what happened to my channel in the month of January. Actually, I am very excited because I discovered something that I was really looking forward to seeing if it was true or not in terms of CPM difference between December and January, because I was under the belief that CPM usually declines when the January month comes and it's usually higher during December. But it was very interesting what I saw with my own channel in the month of January. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take a look at my analytics reports. But before we get to that, you guys, so last month I was sharing my analytics reports and there was a person who commented and they called me a scam artist, guys. Like I find that very funny because clearly this is a person who does not know what YouTube is or how YouTube works and the fact that you can actually make some money on YouTube. So Shruti, the moment he saw 3,600 rands, to him that was too much, and so he decided, I am a scam artist, I'm not telling the truth. So I was like, okay, you are clearly not educated on how this platform works or what exactly is happening here. So I was just like, you know what, I'm not even gonna entertain you. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because I found that very, very funny. But yeah, so let us go right to my analytics. Let's see what happened in the month of January. Okay, so before I even look at the analytics, maybe let me just touch on what is CPM and RPM again before I continue, just in case there are new people who do not know. So CPM is cost per mil or cost per 1,000 views. So that is basically how much money that video is gonna be making per 1,000 views. But that is before YouTube takes its own cuts. So then RPM becomes the money that you make after YouTube has taken its own cuts. That's the amount that you're gonna be receiving that will be going to your Google Adsense account, okay? So now that we know that, let us go right into the analytics. So as you can see, it's the month of January, and so when we come here in the month of January, I got 92,200 views, which was the most that I've gotten since I started my YouTube channel. I know, it's amazing. Since I started my YouTube channel, that's the most amount of views I've gotten. And then when we look at watch hours, I got 6,500 watch hours. Again, it was the most I've gotten since I started my channel. So in January this year, it's the most that I've gotten. And then in terms of subscribers, now as you can see, in terms of subscribers, in January I gained 2,608, but in September I gained 2,601. So literally September and January for me, they were like almost the exact months where I gained most of my subscribers. And then in December I gained 2,084 subscribers. So in terms of the big one, the revenue, in January I got 5,520 rands, you guys. And I was really shocked because I honestly thought that December is gonna be the month where I made the most. I didn't think that, because in December I said I made 3,600 rands. So I thought from there it was literally just gonna take a dip, but I was pleasantly surprised to see that January did even better, and I'll tell you why. So when I come here on revenue, this is the part where I want you guys to see now. So in January, my playback based CPM was 114 rands. So my RPM was 59 rands, and I thought that this amount will be lower in January when I compare it to December. But when I go to December 2020, like I was shocked, because in December 2020 my CPM was 98 rands and my RPM was 53 rands, and I honestly thought that was gonna be the highest, but it wasn't. So yeah, in January I did very well. So the videos that I actually produced in January, they did very well in terms of CPM, and the numbers were looking very, very good, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. So that is my analytics report for this month. But the other thing really that made me think that January was not gonna do so well for me is, so as you can see here, the impressions were a lot. I mean, 1.7 million impressions is a lot. It's a lot of impressions to get. But when I looked at my impressions click-through rates, as you can see here, it's saying it actually dropped about 5%. So when I looked at that, I thought as the month went, my impressions click-through rates was gonna decrease even further, and I didn't think that I was gonna finish the month really strong. But I actually did. Even with the reduction in click-through rates, my video still did kind of very well, and I know that it was mostly one video, but maybe I can just do another video where I show you guys exactly what happened with that video, how many impressions it had, how many click-through rate percentage it contributed to me, and how much revenue that one video did. So I'm gonna maybe film another video just to take you guys through that video and just show you guys how that video performed, because I know that most of this that I'm talking about today, it all came from one specific video that is currently doing very, very well for me. And I actually did share, I think in the last week, that it has reached 100,000 views, and that is something that I don't know, I just didn't think it was gonna be happening so soon, but that video did that. So yeah, for this week's video, guys, I think that's where I'm gonna end it. I really do hope that you enjoyed it. I know it was short and sweet. So thank you guys for watching my videos, man. Like, I really, really appreciate the fact that you guys watch my videos, you guys watch my ads. I can't thank you guys enough. So yeah, I am gonna leave this video here. I'm still filming a vlog actually where I was introducing this video. So I will see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys. I'm so sorry today I don't have a shout out. Nobody did send like a request, but maybe I can just quickly go onto my comments section and just shout somebody out. Okay, so I found someone on the comment section. So today's shout out is gonna go to Nomzamo Ngwane. Thank you so much, girl, for watching my videos. I really do hope that your channel does really well. If you'd like to check her out, she has some really good makeup content that she does. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you all on the next one. Mwah. Bye.